So, Nick, I will share that you are the most experienced doctor in the United States, actually, quite frankly, in the world, I believe is accurate, for the treatment for the light adjustable lens. You teach courses around the country. You are a consultant for doctors looking to be able to optimize their outcomes, and your experience has really been not only instrumental in the growth of our ability to deliver premium care, but quite frankly, it influences care around the country.
Yeah, well, those who teach do first, right? And so we've been on the train with the light adjustable lens for about 6 years now. We started really early. And so we've learned a lot of things along the way, and I'm really proud that the experience that we've gathered over treating thousands of patients at this point, I can share that with patients or with other doctors who are looking to get into the light adjustable lens, because it's as much of an art as it is a science. And there are things that you can do well, there are things that you can do differently to further customize what is already a customizable option for patients.
So we are committed to technology advancement. We are committed to providing the best possible care. And if there is something new that we believe will provide a better outcome, we are the first in the area to provide it. Often we're involved with developing the techniques and the technologies. So this is something that we are not only dedicated to, but I believe that we are helping advance the quality of care in our profession.